Hey guys, just a quick update and the summarizing movement of the dollar for this week, brought to you by Bulls and Bears Academy. We entered the 4th of July. It was off, and we made a projection about how the dollar index is going to make the movements for this entire week. And just to sum it up, just to show you how things went across, if you have the forecast that we had posted online on our social media accounts in advance, if you have that, just have a look at it, and I just want to walk through with that. That we started off with the dollar index right at somewhere around at 92.185, and then we projected that's gonna go hit the resistance, and then from where it's gonna bounce back from the low support, and then the movement is going to be kind of like zigzag. There wasn't much of the movement anticipated in the beginning of the week, and then some. If you look at it, our targets were given up at that time. This happened to be our target in the beginning of the week, and then we actually achieved that, and then all the way entirely through dollar strengthening to the highs 92.650, and then the consolidation part was there that we had projected, and then our next target was somewhere around over here, 92.68. It did go a little bit up. If you see, this is where the upward trend has been continuing, and we kind of like thought that if once the dollar gets into this zone, it's going to be very strong. But then again, the odds were that it's going to get back down there, and based on the market conditions and everything that has been happening around the economy, there are things that we kind of like looked into account. More importantly, this week was everything about the fundamentals. This was more about how the market and the investor sentiments towards the policies and the inflation talks that have been around, and then along with that, how the Fed's prepared to handle all of that. So if you look at it, our projection was that after the FOMC meeting, the dollar is gonna go up. That actually happened. And it actually went up right over here. This particular area, this is the movement. If you look at it, this is where the FOMC minutes of meeting were released, and from there the dollar index went right up over here, meeting at targets, and then from there we said that this is the time where you could actually short the DXY or buy the euro and gold. So from here, the prices started dropping down, and we achieved our target too. That was yesterday, and then today it had to continue. This is where it came down max, and it went up again, bouncing off from the resistance, and eventually this is where the week is ending. So this was our weekly analysis, and if you see, the week is ending exactly where we were actually forecasting. So it was a lovely week. I guess for everyone, should have benefited. Almost everyone has been following Bulls and Bears Academy, and we're looking at for the next week's thing. I'm gonna be posting again in advance. And thank you all for your support. Please stay connected, and we'll definitely bring you up more of the analysis. Thank you so much, and you have a lovely day.